So today in Excel, we're going to take a look at how you can make a big list of dates without having to type one in, then pulling it down. This is for a long-term thing. So first of all, we're just going to put in our first date that we want. So I'm going first to the 1st, 2023. Just going to click over with my tab key, just so it formats it correctly. Then I'm going to go back to that cell. Then we're going to go and make sure we're on our home ribbon. Then we're going to go to right far hand side. I'm going to click on this drop down here in fill. And we're going to click series. Once we click series, we want to make sure we click columns so it goes down the side. If you want rows, you can click rows, but we want columns for the purpose of this. We want to do the date and we want to do the day. So we want to put our stop value in as the date that we want it to stop on. So I want mine to stop on the 31st to the 12th, and we'll go 2025. Then we just click OK. And there we are. There is all the days for the next few years. Already typed in, and it saves us having to like pull and scroll, doing that type of thing, because that can get a bit tedious. As you can see, in a matter of instant, we've made 1,096 cells, which is quite good. It's very efficient. If we want to do it weekday, let's say you're a business that works Monday through Friday, we can go to fill, series, do the same thing, columns, date, but we click weekday this time. We'll put in the same data and we just click OK, and as you can see, when we get to the 6th, it goes to the 9th, and so on, just for the weekdays. So I hope you found that useful on adding dates in Excel, creating lists easily. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.